video, we are still in Dingolfin, and this is the first day when we drove off in a Goggomobil. I was very fortunate to be with a lovely bloke from Holland in his Goggomobil Coupe with a 250cc motor. Siddy was a wonderful bloke and also one of the people who watches these videos. So if you are watching, g'day mate, and I hope you enjoy this video. So in this one we're going around the old town of Dingolfin and as well as some of the urban countryside. So I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, you can see me then. That's a chaos. One of those horror movies when Goggo took over the world. Oh, look here. Oh yeah, and the dam that I've got, she thought it should. David's driving it. Makes no sense. Comes Bernard's as well, isn't it? I think, yeah.